Hey guys, so I thought I was done with the Super7, at least until I found a reasonably priced Mikey. But then I got this donation, thanks so much dude. So try and make it dramatic. That's why they put that extra box on there, so us YouTubers can make a dramatic reveal. But I didn't film that right, and that's not why you're here. Let's see this guy. So I have this little original Playmates, and they make the ultimate version of the original toy, and they definitely make it the ultimate version. Look at all the stuff he comes with. He has all the weapons, but with silver and extra details. And then he also has all the weapons in their original color. There's 3 hands here, another 3 here, so 6 extra hands, plus the 2 he has, an extra head, all these dope weapons. Let's see if I can get them out. So here's the extra head. That looks dope. Love the look on his face there. Wow, he was really stuck in there. He comes with the original head, the original face, and then they painted up all the details, not just a black belt. He's a little darker, but he looks so awesome. So happy I ended up with this guy. Look at these great weapons. These, I guess, are nunchucks. They don't bend very well. He's got a sai. Wow, this really is the ultimate. I really love these Super7s. So that's Super7 Ultimate Slash. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.